Hello, my name is Robert and I am the Director of Roofing Operations for Guyou Construction. If you are moving forward with solar and your roof is more than 20 years old, it's strongly recommended that you replace your roof, and we can help with that. We work on asphalt shingle to concrete tile roofs, even roofs as delicate as Spanish tile. We can help. Some indicators that let you know your roof needs replacement include loose shingles, broken tile, and wood rot, just to name a few. Also, if you notice any leaks, even if they're small, it may be an indicator that there is a much larger issue to be addressed. Guyou even offers a 26% federal tax credit towards your roof when you pair it with a solar install. Call us today and receive $1,000 off and zero down financing to your roof and solar system through the end of the month. 866-GO-GUYU.